we have just spoke about this the heading tag. Already we have done it. Okay, so paragraph, let's make it an division tag. So what I'll do, I'll add here division tag. Okay, division tag. Okay, so in this some information we can put. So we'll take as a syllabus part. So just paste this one, you can see here. So now you can see here what we want here. Let's first just copy paste and then run what output we are going to get. So now we have to close the division tag. So we have closed it. Okay, save it. Okay, so you can see here the web technology and its application, computer science and engineering, already the link we have given. We will remove the link now. Okay, and we'll take this division tag to the top here, and this heading tag also will take on the top here. Okay, okay, so now you can see here we have used a simple heading tag, so it is h1. Now in division we are using this div tag. Okay, so you can see here module 1. I want again this to be, if you take your document, okay, so the coding part I have written here module 1 teaching hours, but what output we are getting? We are getting module 1 teaching hours introduction to HTML. So it is continuous. It's not the where the page break should be there. So then only we will be able to understand from where our content start. So what we'll do, we'll change here. So module 1, it should come to the top. Then after teaching hours, let it be there. So here this is your code. So what you are going to do, if you want here again nesting HTML element, if you want, we can write h3 element, h3 tag. Okay, and we'll add here h3. So closing h3. Okay, and save it. Now you see, now we are getting module 1 teaching hours. Okay, so module 1 teaching hours, and this is the information. But still further we'll see that there is no proper alignment. As of now, what we have to see. Okay, so now this element is there, right? Suppose if you want somewhere to be bold, somewhere to be italic. Okay, so how we can make it? Okay, so what you have to do, again go to the code. Now if you want any place, any syntax, okay, so let's use any syntax or any tag here. So I want a structure of HTML document to be made bold. So what I'll do, I'll use here strong, and again you close the strong here. This is done. Let's run. See that we are getting the proper in bold letter. If you want italic, even we can use italic. Suppose what is HTML and where it come from, I want in italics. So use as a I. You can see now this is italic structure. Okay, so this we have done. Now if you want to attach any link, take example on the top, we want something here, home, about CSE, contact us. So we need like home, we need about CSE, and we need contact us. 3 pages we want. Okay, so when you make like this and you just save, see that just it is coming on the top, it's a continuous. Now we want this to be linked. Okay, so what you have to use, anchor tag. So I'll use a, okay, anchor tag href is equal to, with put the double quotes, I'm not writing any URL, just write any code. Okay, so this is one, this is second part, this is third part, okay. Now refresh the page. So now you can see that link is there, but no link we have given to any further page. So what happened? It will just same page, it will get refreshed. So now what we want link. So external link, if suppose I'll give, first one is google.com. okay, open that. So the moment you click home, see it's redirecting to the Google page. That is the first one. Next, about CSC. If someone clicked on about CSC, I want some CSC information, but we have not created any page related to the about CSC. So what we'll do, we'll just save it. We'll change the title to here, about CSC. okay, and you have to save this file. Okay, so how you are going to save? Similar way, just go to save your directory, and I will write here about dash csc.html and just enter. Okay, now we have saved. So we have to open our main page. Okay, so what we want now, we want this page to be linked. So this is the external. Now internal link, that means I have to link here about csc.html. Save it. Same code we'll use on our another document, and this is index page. So what name we have given? This is test1.html. So what you have to do, if anyone click on about us and they want to come on home page, then it should be test1.html. You can see here the file name is test1. Now save it. Now refresh the page again. Okay, so this is the, okay, so we have to click on about us. See, when we clicked on about us, it is coming as a about us page, right? When we click on home, it will go to the home page. So like this you can link the page. Okay, so that's what we were talking about here, the linking. How you can do the linking within, suppose you want any image. Okay,